yang kita semua ketahui, Mas Alip-ba-ta ini memang tidak diragukan lagi skillnya loh. Sudah sejak lama Mas Alip-ba-ta menuai perhatian dari pengamat musik dunia. Ya, sebagaimana para pengamat musik kali ini yang tidak henti-hentinya dibuat klimaks oleh Mas Alip-ba-ta. Oke, langsung saja tanpa panjang kali lebar lagi, mari kita simak reaction Alip-ba-ta.
Hello, we are doing Alip-ba-ta Californication. Don't forget to follow us on Twitch. We stream there weekly. Let's get into this! Whoa, hold on. Why does this sound so full compared to the other ones? Like, it sounds like the sound is just bigger. Those are newer strings. Like they're fucking silver as hell.
Dude, it sounds like a 12-string kind of. Like it sounds like higher than normal.
So those are brand new. That's why it sounds so full.
Does he have the mic closer?
Nope. It's the same position.
Wow.
Same position. Those are new strings. I'm telling you.
Those
are brand new. Those are like he just ripped open the pack and just put them on right then and there.
Yep.
Amazing already starting off. It's still full. Always put new strings on, guys.
Yep.
Here's why. Because it sounds amazing.
Hey, Alan. Kopi mana kopi?
Kopi mana kopi? Where the f is my coffee?
I gotta go make coffee.
Whoa!
Is he doing the harmonies too? How on earth do you do that?
He's using his middle finger to pluck the melody, but then he's using his pointer and his ring finger to keep the octave rhythm going, while his thumb. So he's using his thumb and his pointer and ring finger to make the power chord. So he's using this to make the power chord, and he's somehow taking his middle finger to play the melody. That's some next level shit right there.
Some next level finger picking.
I'm like, there's no way he's gonna keep surprising us. It's just like every single song, there's another surprise.
Hammer-ons.
Yep. Right here, right here.
Bro, we're only like 40 seconds. We're not even a minute in, and we're already like have our minds exploded right now. They're all over the floor.
Dude, it's just so good, dude.
It is. So good. I love the hammer-ons and pull-offs that he's adding to this. It adds a new dynamic to it.
I have to study this more, because otherwise you guys are going to be stuck on the 40-second mark for the next hour.
We're going to have to get even more in-depth than this.
We're going to have to go live. We got to go live with one of his videos so we can just like spend a couple hours talking about it. The reason why this is even more amazing than the other songs is that he's not relying on hammer-ons and stuff with his other hands like he's doing in the other ones. This one, he's straight up this is just finger picking. And he's only doing a tap on the strings. Very different than his other thing. Like I said, he keeps surprising us. Like I'm like, oh, what? Different techniques than this one. It's very interesting to see how this is all developing. Very amazing so far. I'm gonna start studying this a lot more. Get myself better at guitar playing. He's so inspiring. He's so inspiring. Again, another amazing thing, he puts all that power in his pointer finger to strum that chord. Like, he's like, da-da-da, and he does the melodies with his other three fingers. But he's only using his pointer to strike the whole chord in between.
What's most impressive about this is he's doing it with his eyes closed.
How do you know he has his eyes closed? Maybe he's looking down.
I'm pretty sure his eyes are closed. He's making that face. He's just like...
It doesn't even matter if his eyes are open or closed. It's still amazing either or.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, like, it's pretty impressive. Like, not very many people can have their eyes closed and play that well, you know what I mean?
I think he's looking down.
In some parts...
He's looking down.
I don't know. We'll see. Look, right there, it's closed.
He's looking down.
Oh, that's my favorite so far, honestly, dude. The mix, the fullness of the guitar, how clean it sounded. I like how he changed up the ambiance of the song a little bit too. Like, dude, it's just
What I really like about what he's doing is that he's just showing a new appreciation for the band that wrote the song, you know? What I like about the style of playing is taking all of the other instruments and bringing it up front together. Alip-ba-ta is not only doing something amazing, he's also making you appreciate the original song that much more. And I love how Alip-ba-ta is just bringing all those melodies to the forefront so you can hear exactly what's going on in that song.
I actually am not that big a fan of Red Hot Chili Peppers nor this song, but I mean, he just makes me like this song a lot more.
If you want to support the channel, go check out our Patreon. It really truly helps us to, you know, release more covers and music videos for you all and keep this channel running. Peace out.
Oke, gimana nih menurut kalian? Seru atau tidak, Lur? Seru pastinya ya. Next time, Minsoy akan buatkan lagi khusus untuk temenin kalian. Untuk itu, tolong jangan lupa tulis pendapat kalian di kolom komentar ya, Lur. Oke, sekian konten hari ini. Minsoy pamit undur diri dan sampai jumpa di konten kami berikutnya.